Have you ever had big dreams but lacked the energy to make them a reality? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. You want to achieve great things, but getting started feels overwhelming. Whether it's writing a book, getting in shape, or learning something new, you end up scrolling through your phone or watching TV instead. Why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy forever. It's because the tasks feel too daunting. When something seems too hard, your brain seeks an easier alternative. But here's the good news. You can overcome this. Laziness isn't part of your identity. It's just a habit, and habits can be changed. Think about all the times you've felt stuck because the goal seemed impossible. Maybe you wanted to save money, but cutting back on everything felt too extreme. Or perhaps you wanted to get healthier, but the idea of daily runs seemed exhausting. It's not that you don't care. It's that your brain is wired to avoid discomfort and seek ease. But you can outsmart it. Here are 3 simple steps to break the cycle and start achieving what matters to you. Step 1. Break it down. Big tasks can feel overwhelming, so break them into smaller, manageable steps. If you want to write a book, don't think about finishing 200 pages. Just start with 1 sentence today. Small steps are easier and build momentum. It's like climbing a mountain. You don't leap to the top. You take 1 step at a time. The same applies to learning a new skill. If you want to play guitar, don't try to learn a whole song in a day. Practice just 1 chord. Over time, these small efforts add up to big results. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Step 2. Build simple routines. Don't rely solely on willpower. It runs out. Instead, create routines that make things automatic. For example, if you want to exercise, place your workout shoes by your bed. When you wake up, it's easier to get started. Think of routines like training wheels. They make things easier until they become second nature. What's 1 small routine you can start today? Maybe it's writing a to-do list in the morning or drinking a glass of water first thing when you wake up. These small habits build structure and momentum. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is often getting started, so promise yourself you'll work on something for just 2 minutes. That's all. Want to read a book? Read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Start with 1 corner. Once you start, it becomes easier to keep going. It's like pushing a ball down a hill. The first push is hard, but then it keeps rolling. Bonus tip. Reward yourself. After completing your 2 minutes, give yourself a small reward. Maybe listen to your favorite song or take a short break. Rewards make starting feel good and keep you motivated. Here's the truth. Everyone starts small. The people you admire? They struggled too, but they kept going. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. Think of your dreams like a small spark. Every little action you take is like adding fuel to that spark. Keep adding fuel, and soon you'll have a roaring fire. What will you do today to light that fire? Remember, it's okay to fail. Everyone fails. What matters is that you get back up and keep trying. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Be kind to yourself and keep moving forward. Let's keep it simple. Break tasks into small, manageable steps. Set up routines to make things easier. Start with just 2 minutes of effort. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Take a small step today and move closer to your dreams. Remember, consistency is key. Even small efforts done regularly can lead to massive change. But consistency starts with action. So, what's your first step?